Hi you guys, welcome to my video today. Today I'm going to be sharing with you another really awesome apple cider vinegar detox drink. I have been making tons of detox drinks lately and I just love apple cider vinegar. It is so good for you. There's so many awesome health benefits to apple cider vinegar. You want to make sure that the one that you get is with the mother, and that's just awesome. You want to take 2 to 3 tablespoons per day. So apple cider vinegar does not taste good, you guys. It's really gross tasting actually, but mixing it with a few things makes it so good and just gives you that dose of healthiness. Right on here it says your daily dose of wellness. So this stuff, it's so awesome, you guys. It is great for weight loss, detoxing, weight management, all kinds of, keeps your blood sugar down. So it's just all around such a good, healthy thing to have. So I am going to be making some drinks for the next few days, and I use these plastic containers that I got on Amazon. I will link them in the description box. Every time I make one of these juices, everybody always asks me all about these. They are so awesome. Comes in a big, huge pack. They are definitely reusable, really good quality plastic. But I love these, so I'll put a link to them in the description box. But so the juice I'm going to make for you today is going to be with a little bit of apple juice. So I have 100% organic apple juice, and you want to try and get 100% if you can. You want to try and get organic if you can, just so that there's not a whole lot of extra added sugars. There's already tons of sugar in apples, you guys. A little tiny dash of cinnamon, and then a tiny squirt of this liquid Splenda. Oh my gosh, this drink is seriously so good, you guys. I have tons of other apple cider vinegar drinks on my channel. I have a whole playlist, you guys, of apple cider vinegar drinks, detox teas, and everything. So I'm going to put that playlist in the description box, so check it out. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe, and you get all of my healthy recipes, all of my awesome detox drinks. They're all on my channel. So click that subscribe button, click the bell button next to subscribe. You'll get a notification when I post new videos. And so I just love making healthy videos for you guys, so I hope that you enjoy them. I'm gonna get this whole batch made up with apple cider vinegar, apple juice, cinnamon, and then the dash of liquid Splenda, and then I'm gonna fill it all up with water, and then these will be ready to go and so good. Okay, I have all my juice containers. You can make as many of these juices as you want. So I'm going to add in my apple cider vinegar first. I'm going to do 1 tablespoon per container. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of apple juice. So really just a little bit of the apple juice gives it a really good flavor and you don't taste the apple cider vinegar. And then I'm going to do a splash of cinnamon and a small splash of Swerve sweetener. And I'm going to fill these to the top with water. They are really, really good, you guys. I have tons of apple cider vinegar detox drinks on my channel, and this is definitely one of my favorite. But check out the playlist. I'll put a link to it in the description box. Check it out if you're looking to try some new detox drinks. Really, the best thing is just tons and tons of water if you're looking to detox. But this apple cider vinegar is really, really healthy for you, and it does help with weight maintenance, and it can help with losing weight as well. So there's some research that says that it can help you feel fuller faster. So I like to drink this before meals, and then it'll help you feel fuller before your meal so that you'll eat a little bit less sometimes. So it does help with weight management. So I'm going to add a little cinnamon, little sweetener, and these will be ready to go. And I'll just keep these in the refrigerator for the week. And then I can just grab one before each meal. So this sweetener, it's 0 calories, and it just takes a tiny drop, you guys, just 1 little squirt. So I got this at my Walmart, and it has lasted me a really long time because it really takes just hardly anything at all, but it is really good. So I'm gonna add water to the top of all these containers, put the lids on, and then our detox juice for the week is all set. All right, so these juices are all done and so good. So I usually have 2 of these a day, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. And you guys, they are so delicious, seriously. But I have lots of different apple cider vinegar recipes on my channel. They're all really good. And I just love how I feel when I have these detox drinks. They're just so good. So these caps, they just go on super easily, and I'll just store these in the fridge for when I'm ready to have them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Like I said, I will link the playlist to all of my detox drinks and teas in the description box, so check that out. I'll also link these awesome juice containers. They're the best. So leave me a comment if you guys have any questions at all. Thanks so much for being here. I hope that you're having a really great week, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.